Hey, this is Evan, and this video is to show anyone interested in writing with Japanese on their keyboard how to do it. Um, First, I'll show you how you can use it. So, if you look at the bottom of the screen here, I got this icon, EN, English. This is my keyboard. If I switch to Japanese, now I'll have this input mode. Or here, I'll show you in a notepad. Okay, if I'm on English, hello, it just writes as the keyboard is. If I go to Japanese, I can still write in English if I wanted to, or I can switch this character to hiragana. Konbanwa. Or I can switch to katakana. Katakana. And whatever you want to do. And you can use it in other programs like Word. Oops, switches automatically. Hiragana. And you can do whatever you want to it still, just like any other thing. Boom, make it big, bold, underline. Alright, and you can use it in your browser, for example. Hiragana. Okay, so that's how that works. You can always switch back to your English. Now, how do you install this? Okay, so here's the page that you'll go to. I'll throw the link. I'll post the link on the under the video here. So when you get to this page, I use Google Translate for some of this stuff. This part says Japanese input as expected. If you click on this link, it brings you over to this page, and this is like your install screen. This is a huge thing. It's got all your disclaimers and all that stuff. Okay, this option right here, that's for automatically gathering information about how you use it and so forth. So if you would like your privacy, or you don't want to have whatever, you don't want to slow your computer down, whatever, don't check that. This button's cancel. The second word here is install. So that's what we'll click on. You might not see it, but right now it's saying it's doing my permissions and stuff. Yeah, now it's gonna install because I click yes. I've already done it, so it might be a little quicker. Yeah, I think it takes a little bit longer. And okay, big check mark means it's good. Okay, so now that should have changed it, so now you have Japanese. But if it didn't, if you don't see this yet, you might need to install a keyboard onto your computer. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, if you go to your control panel, there's this clock language and region, and in there's change keyboards. So you click on that link. This opens up this, change keyboards, and now you can see on this list I have English and I have Japanese. Yeah, if you didn't see the language choices in the bottom right of your screen over here, this is where your problem is probably going to be. So I'll just remove the Japanese and add it so you can see how it's done. So right now, if I can remove this if I want, and now I just have an English keyboard. If I applied it, my things would go away in the corner of the screen and it would be kind of like it never happened. But now, so if I go add, go down to Japanese, HIG, and keyboard, Google Japanese input. That's what we just installed. So I'll add that, and now I have it back on here. Apply. Okay, so now if you didn't have these icons before, now they should show up. And that's pretty much it. I haven't tried uninstalling it yet, so I don't know how that works, and I've only tried it for this Windows 7 computer. Maybe it doesn't work on Macs, maybe it doesn't work for other Windows, I'm not sure. Alright, thanks for watching.